We are making brownie truffles today right here on Bake It Simple. This recipe is super addicting and it is a chocolate lover's dream. The first ingredient is flour that has been heat treated, which is basically microwave for 2 minutes on high and then letting it cool. Now the next ingredient is cocoa powder. Use Dutch process. I promise it is way superior. And then we are going to go white sugar, and then we are going to go brown sugar. The brown sugar is going to give a nice caramel flavor. It is really good. And then our last dry ingredient is going to be some salt. Give a quick mix to combine all the ingredients. Now we are going to combine all of our wet ingredients. We have 1 package of softened cream cheese, a little bit of unsalted butter, some vanilla, and then we're going to add in some coffee, around 2 tablespoons, which gives us plenty to drink for ourselves. Stir all these ingredients together until it is pretty smooth. Now, the next step is to combine our dry ingredients in 3 additions, making sure it is pretty well combined in between each. After all the dry is added, you will end up with a super fluffy, ultra chocolatey dough. I let the dough chill in the fridge for about an hour so it is easier to scoop in our tablespoon portions. I'm going to place our little brownie bites in the fridge while I'm just melting some dark chocolate. This is just 1 whole chocolate bar. I think it's 10 ounces. I'm going to break it up into pieces and then place it into a Ziploc bag. I then place the Ziploc bag into a bowl of hot water just to slowly melt the chocolate, and then poke a little hole, like cut the tip off, and then just squeeze the chocolate all over the brownie bites. Once the chocolate cools, it adds a nice little crunch. I have 2 words to describe this brownie: chocolate heaven. Like, it is so good. I ended up trying them at night, so sorry for the bad light, but I really hope you try this recipe and you subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.